Woo-hoo.
Hit the single track, thread it, flow it. Steep incline, climb it, own it. Loose gravel, spin, grip it, hold it. Last stretch, home, send it, told ya. F18. Go, 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 go.
Torque, power.
How do you know when you have a problem? When you already have every EUC available for every single occasion, but somehow still feel the need for more. Look what the cat drag did. Brand new in the box. Nice manual. Ooh, big ass 10 amp charger. It's much bigger than any of the chargers I've ever had. Some cords. The newly redesigned rear. The flat surface, no ridges, so aftermarket pads can stay in place. I like how they have the existing Velcro on already, so you don't have to do none of that crap. Look at this beauty. Alright. Stock pads. They don't actually look half bad. Huh. The pedals do leave quite a lot to be desired, I would have to say. Don't really like how smooth everything is. Nice little spin around. Let's go for a quick test ride. I like the way it feels. Look at all the sound effects. Going downstairs without pads. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, damn. Seated riding is not bad either. What, I don't have the seat yet. Can't wait to set it up and dial it in. Okay, this wheel needs baby foam. Hey, motherfuckers! How's it going, guys? Woo! Wet! Okay, follow me! Follow me! Yeah, it's my backyard, my new deck. Yeah. What's up, man? Like the suspension and the power, I just unlocked it. So far, every aspect of it, I like it better than the Lynx. Like just ride feel and everything. Very plush. It's completely stock. It Oh wait, Andy. Take this with you.
Too. KingSong, wow. It's like a rock.
It's surprisingly light.
Yeah, it feels light, right?
It's fucking light.
Yeah, take him out.
Like a link. I like it better.
Oh, look at that.
I like it better, right?
It's
I think, like even in wobbles, no wobbles.
suspension's good.
Yeah.
This is stock, you said, right? It will feel way better more if
Go take it to the road, man.
when you tune it properly, it's gonna be better. But it's good. It feels balanced. That's what I know. You tell Andy how much the price? Yeah, I told him.
3,500, right?
Okay. Feels a lot better. Yeah.
Not really.
Damn, full plush.
You said you want to go to Joshua.
All right, take it easy, guys. Take care. Have a good one. Cheers. So basically, we can't talk about KingSong without talking about the suspension. After all, KingSong made the first truly off-road EUC with their flagship S22, which happens to be my very first wheel. The F18 has a D&M quad shock system sporting both spring and air suspension on each side. Fully adjustable to your weight with 100 millimeters of travel at 4 points. Simply put, rough terrains becomes basically meaningless. Stuff that used to rattle up my ankles just gets soaked up.
What's the plan? Don't kill the plan. No bottom out.
Hey!
I don't feel it.
Was that it?
Holding the wheel is fine.
Pedal clip, he's not even riding. He's not even riding.
Wait, hold on. He's gonna do two.
Hey, you know I'm in the middle, right?
Huh? He's gonna do both.
I'm not gonna go through you. Don't worry.
Wait, watch.
Jeez. There you go. Nice. Nice, man.
It's plush the whole way through.
How much? $500.
I made at least 2 meters.
Man, I like that suspension.
It's very nice.
On the level of 1 to 10, if we were to measure the S22 at 1, then the F18 is basically the 10. Riding the F18 is like gliding and carving through any kind of surface on a cushion of air. Effortless. A couple weeks isn't enough to know everything. But as a first impression, the suspension, the power, the torque, the way it handles everywhere from potholed streets to a pump track, the F18 has genuinely impressed me. If you've ridden one, or you're debating the upgrade from the Lynx, drop a comment, leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride.